Let's talk about the future of transportation, where cars are constantly communicating to keep us all safe.
So here's the big question. How do they talk to each other flawlessly, especially at high speeds?
Well, the answer is a super smart system designed for vehicle-to-everything, or V2X communication.
It all comes down to a gold standard called URLC, which is essential for things like collision avoidance.
The standard here is insane, an error rate of 10 to the minus 5. That's less than one mistake per 100,000 messages.
But, hitting that target is really tough. Our old communication models just can't keep up. You've got blocked signals, high-speed distortion, and safety messages that are just too short and fast. So, to fix all this, researchers built a new integrated framework to tackle every single problem. Let's break down the 3 key pieces that make this whole thing tick. It's pretty brilliant. First up, how do you get a signal around, say, a huge building or a truck? You use something called a STAR-RIS. It's basically a smart surface that manages radio signals. Right, so it can bounce signals to nearby cars and also pass them through to cars farther away. Okay, next problem. How does the system handle all that data traffic without any hiccups? It uses a hybrid system. Think of it like having a carpool lane and a private lane for data. It can use the shared carpool lane for efficiency, or switch to a private lane for critical data. And finally, the system has to adapt constantly, making sure every single message gets through, no excuses. They do this with adaptive modulation. It's kind of like adjusting your driving speed for bad weather. So, the big question is, does it all actually work? Yep, and the results are pretty amazing.
This new framework pushes the data rate up by 25%. That's more information moving way faster.
And look here, it hits that reliability target with much weaker signals than older systems could. And get this, it works perfectly even when cars are flying by at 100 kilometers an hour. So the takeaway is clear. True V2X safety needs this smart, layered, and adaptive approach to work. With communication this solid, it really feels like we're one huge step closer to a truly autonomous future.